Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple's Mac Mini has always been the little desktop that packs a massive punch. But now, with the M5 Mac Mini on the horizon, Apple might just be redefining what a compact powerhouse truly means. Rumored 25% performance gains, Thunderbolt 5 support, and AI-driven features. This next-generation Mac Mini could become one of Apple's most exciting desktops yet. So today, we're diving deep into everything we know so far, from leaks and rumors to specs, features, release date, and price. Stick around because this might just be the small computer that changes everything. Apple's strategy and background. Apple's transition to Apple Silicon completely changed the Mac lineup. The M1 Mac Mini proved that small form factor machines could rival larger desktops. The M2 and M4 updates refined that vision with efficiency and raw power. Now, the M5 generation isn't just an incremental step, it's rumored to bring serious AI performance boosts and next-level connectivity. Apple is reportedly positioning the M5 chip as a leap in both efficiency and pro-grade performance, making the Mac Mini a true alternative to larger desktops. M5 chip. What we know at the heart of the next Mac Mini is Apple's M5 chip. It's built on TSMC's advanced 3nm plus or early 2nm process. Here are the rumored specs: CPU, 10-core 6 efficiency plus 4 performance, GPU, 12-core graphics up from 10-core on, M4 performance boost, approximately 25% faster than M4 series neural engine, redesigned for AI workloads, making macOS features much smoother, and that's just the base M5, the M5. Pro variant is expected to bring CPU, 16-core 12 performance plus 4 efficiency, GPU 22-core up from 20-core on M4 Pro, even stronger AI acceleration, rumored specs and features. Here's a quick breakdown of what we might see in the new Mac Mini M5 Thunderbolt 5. Support up to 120 GBs transfer speeds, 0.12 core GPU, better graphics. Performance for creatives and developers. 3 and M2 nanometers process node, more efficiency, less heat, redesigned. Neural engine built for AI and machine learning tasks. Enhanced cooling and logic board to handle higher performance. macOS features optimized for Apple Intelligence tools. Same sleek design, likely sticking with the 2024 Chassis Pro variant option. Higher-end specs. For professionals, improved multitasking, faster memory, and better bandwidth. Consistent. Pricing expected to remain affordable. Top 10 features. Let's go deeper into the 10 biggest rumored features. M5 and M5 Pro chips, custom silicon designed for both casual and pro users. AI-driven performance. Apple is doubling down on AI. Integration in macOS. Thunderbolt 5 ports future-proof connectivity for external GPUs, displays, and drives. Enhanced GPU power, better rendering, video editing, and graphics-heavy workflows. Efficient. Architecture, less power consumption with more output, pro-level expansion. The M5 Pro model could be a Mac Studio alternative. Improved thermal design, keeping performance consistent under heavy loads. Compact size, same small form factor, but way more power. Mac OS optimizations, Apple tailoring the OS for M5 hardware, affordable. Entry price starting at just $599. Release date expectations. Most analysts expect the Mac Mini M5 to launch in late 2025, likely around October or November, alongside other M5-powered Macs. However, some reports suggest Apple might delay it into early 2026, depending on production schedules and product prioritization. Either way, the wait might not be too long. Expected pricing is expected to remain consistent with the current lineup. M5 Mac Mini base, $599 million. 5 Pro Mac Mini, $1,399. This keeps the Mac Mini an affordable entry point into Apple Silicon while offering a Pro option for power users. Should you wait or buy now if you need a Mac Mini right now? The M4 models are still incredibly powerful and capable of handling professional workloads. But if you can wait until late 2025 or early 2026, the M5 Mac Mini will bring better AI performance. Thunderbolt 5 and 25% more power, making it a strong future-proof option. And that wraps up everything we know so far about the M5 Mac Mini. From its rumored specs to its release date and price, this compact desktop could be Apple's most powerful small machine yet. What do you think? Will the M5 Mac Mini be worth the wait? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest Apple leaks and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.